that. Yeah! Okay, today I am not going to tell anything that bored to you all. But I want to tell to you all what I will do if I become the star principal. I know all the staff busy buzzing about our principal.
Yeah.
Although he managed to do the right thing to all for our future, for our bright future. If I become the principal, I will introduce to you all the administration that's called office administration. I will give all the students outing once per week. If you enjoy yourself and outside, whether it's trombone or giant disco or anything. Feel frustrated in the class or sleep in the class. Second, I will shuffle all the menus in the dining hall. I will make sure all the studies come to the dining to eat their favorite food. So whatever you want to eat, whether it is burgers or spaghetti or whatever you say except pizza. You want to eat and your favorite just come to my office. Step one is I become the staff principal. I will start the morning assembly at 8:30 a.m. I want to make sure all of the students get enough sleep and please make sure do not escape your supervisor.
Yeah.
I will end the school session at 12 p.m. Enjoy at your dormitory. So, in a nutshell, justification and the conclusion is just let me be. Support me for being the staff. May I know who are with me now? Let's have it.
I'm not with you. I'm only bizarre.
Let's take him. Okay, that's all from my part. With that, thank you.